what I got right now is some pre-stained wood conditioner. Let's put us a coat of it on there. Okay, now let's let this set on there for about 15 minutes and then we'll apply the stain to it. Okay, now I'm going to apply this Minwax Gunstock finish. Okay, I've let it sit on there for a few minutes, and let's wipe off the excess. Okay, I'm gonna let this set overnight then. Okay, I've let it dry overnight. Now I'm gonna paint the lettering. Okay, this is the first coat. We'll let it dry, then we'll put on another coat. Okay guys, this is what it looks like when it's hung up. It looks pretty good, but I had a strange thing happen to my finish here. As you can see, it's got a rough texture look here, but it's smooth right here. I can't explain it, because I mean it's over the whole thing. If I had done it just in a spot, but it's kind of growing on me. I'll debate whether I should sand it back down and refinish it or not, but I think the sign turned out good. I mean, anybody likes Harley Davidson and the Route 66, this goes together. Thanks for watching, guys.